What's going on, guys? JT's here with the latest Mustang and automotive news. Today's video is about the 2021 Ford Bronco, and here's the latest update. Ford just dropped these photos that were leaked, but now they dropped them, and we've got a new video. And this is over at Ford Bronco Ford.com/Bronco. We've also got the Instagram, so let's jump in. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. I'll keep you updated with the latest Bronco news. This is new. Look at this little emblem for the Bronco. That's super cool. All right, guys, you ready to check out the video? Let's go.
Wild out there. There's still some wild out there. Those grayed out sections on maps that map makers haven't gotten to yet. Places where cell service and calendar reminders don't exist. But you have to get out there and look for it. And to look for it, you need something that's just as wild as the wild. You need something that can look adventure in the eye and give it a firm handshake. Something built with the toughness of an F-Series and the spirit of a Mustang. Something that's not happy until it takes you through whatever creek or snow or mud or mountain trail or dune or logging road or landmark with death in its name. You need a Bronco. Built as wild as what you're looking for.
All right, so here's the first images of the Bronco that we can see. These are obviously CGI. This is a lot of what we've seen already. They're just uncovering, we've seen this stuff before. I just wanted to see if we can pick up anything else from the photos that we haven't seen in the previous ones. So we've got that Bronco emblem, which is really cool. I love this orange color. Good fender flares, good size off-road wheels and tires. Had the single exit exhaust. So they have some beadlock-ish looking wheels. And with the Bronco emblem, and you've got some running boards here, fender flares, you can't see a ton. Yeah, love it. This thing is gonna be tough, guys. Look at that silver. That silver looked good with the black top too. Look at that. Super boxy. I love it. I'm excited, guys. So there's that front bumper, probably accept a winch. All right, guys, so the legend returns. Get out there and find your wild in America's original sports utility vehicle with a legacy that can't be broken. The entire Bronco family is designed, engineered, and built for adventure. So get ready to mount up and get dirty because the one and only legend is making its long-awaited return, the Ford Bronco, built wild. Ford is introducing a new outdoor brand with an all 4x4 family featuring Bronco 2-door, first ever Bronco 4-door, and smaller Bronco Sport, all engineered with built wild extreme durability testing capability and innovative design principles for segment-leading levels of 4x4 capability, plus long-term off-road performance and dependability. So if you heard, they're saying the enthusiasm and sport of a Mustang, but off-road capabilities of the F-150. That is super legit because that's something that the Wrangler doesn't have. The Wrangler is just an off-road vehicle, whereas they're taking the elements from Ford F-150 and the Ranger and really the F-150 Raptor and the EcoBoost engines that make so much power, and with the 10-speed auto, and they're putting it into this. So the off-road packages with the EcoBoost engines and the 10-speed auto, it will be fun. It will be fun to drive. It's not going to be boring. It's not going to be just a naturally aspirated 6-cylinder. It's going to have boost. It's going to kick in. You're going to have some torque. You're going to go through the gears. It's going to be fun. So the Bronco team is creating its new off-rodeo outdoor adventure playgrounds to 4 U.S. locations starting next year. So so you're going to have off-road, to drive these things. Owners and enthusiasts can test the new Bronco lineup. And so this is going to be cool. This is going to be like what Land Rover does at their dealerships. Bronco lifestyle is unleashed through Bronco Nation, an independent online community that enables owners and enthusiasts to share and discover off-roading adventures, including trails, vintage Bronco vehicles. So this is good, man. I like what they're doing here. This is awesome. I want a Bronco now. Who else wants a Bronco? Ford will unveil the all-new Bronco 2 and 4-door models plus Bronco Sport 8 p.m. on July 13th, which is coming up. It's a few days from now, 6 days, 7 days. Customers can reserve a Bronco for a $100 refundable deposit. Bronco's back. Ford's introducing an all-new Bronco featuring a new Wild family of built Wild SUVs. So they do have an exclusive terrain management system plus unique Bronco variant architectures with class-leading levels of capability and suspension technology. So yeah, so this is mostly just about the history. You can read that if you'd like to. And they've got some cool stuff like the Bronco timeline. And they got cool stuff like this, like the Bronco timeline, 1941. Ford designed and built the framed quarter-ton 4x4 trucks during World War II. All right, so finally they're actually showing this photo. This is higher resolution, obviously, and actually see what's going on here. So I see a manual transmission shifter and a grab handle. And this is going to be the 2-door with a removable top and doors, obviously. Man, that looks fun. Come on. Sign me up for that for sure. I'm down with this as well. Hopefully, hopefully the 2-door looks cool. The 4-door looks great. Hopefully they can put these big wheels and tires. And then you got the Sport, which is going to sell probably a lot too, if the Escape sells a lot. Cool, so they have Bronco Nation here. Off-Rodeo. So you can go check this stuff out. Shop now for your Amazon gear, your Bronco Amazon gear. I'll put one of these in the description below. Alright guys, I just want to keep you updated with the latest Bronco news. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe. I'll be keeping you updated every day with the latest Bronco news. If you like the channel, click the links to support it, and I'll catch you in the next video.